Everyone is talking about AI, but most people don't know the free tools that can completely change their lives in 2025. Welcome to AI Unlocked, your daily dose of artificial intelligence tools, trends, and tutorials. Today, I'll show you the top 5 free AI tools that make your work faster, smarter, and more profitable. Let's begin. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. It can write your essays, scripts, business plans, or even full YouTube videos. Pro tip: use custom prompts like, "Act as my business coach," to get professional level responses. Completely free at chat.openai.com. Tool number 2, Canva Magic Studio. It turns your ideas into designs automatically. Need a YouTube thumbnail, Instagram post, or business flyer? Just type your idea and Canva's AI designs it in seconds. Tool number 3, Pictory AI. Paste your text or blog, and Pictory automatically makes a video with stock clips, subtitles, and background music. It's perfect for faceless YouTubers and content creators. Tool number 4, ElevenLabs Voice AI. It creates hyper-realistic voices that sound human. Use it for narrations, audiobooks, or videos like this one. You can even clone your own voice later. And finally, tool number 5, Notion AI. Your digital assistant inside your notes. It summarizes, brainstorms, and writes content directly in Notion. It's a must-have for students and professionals. So those were my top 5 free AI tools for 2025. If you use even 2 of them, your productivity will skyrocket. Which one will you try first? Drop your answer in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for daily AI discoveries, only on AI Unlocked.